Assalamu alaikum, immersive people. This is Aisha Qureshi, and welcome to my channel, Immersive English. Dear viewers, this video is going to be little different. Today I'm not going to deliver any lecture or explain any grammatical or creative writing topic. Today I want to talk about how to greet someone Eid Mubarak in English and how to express your feelings about completion of Ramadan. Today all Muslims have bittersweet feelings mostly, as the holy month of Ramadan is just about to end and Eid festival is just about to begin. You all know Eid-ul-Fitr is celebrated all around the world with fervor and enthusiasm. It is a tradition amongst Muslims to convey Eid Mubarak greetings and blessings to their loved ones, family, and friends. Here I am today to help you convey these feelings in correct English. So stay tuned. You can wish people in many ways, but remember, perfect words for perfect occasions can create wonders. Just look at this message. Eid Mubarak. Wish you all a very happy and peaceful Eid. Look at this one. May the blessings of Allah fill your life with happiness and open all the doors of success now and always. Eid Mubarak. This is a beautiful message with loads of prayers. I have another message for you. Eid Mubarak. May the magic of this Eid fill your heart with wonders and joy. May Allah bless your life with happiness, prosperity, contentment, love, and peace. People will definitely be charmed with these beautiful, magical words. These were just a few examples, dear viewers, to give you some ideas. You can express your emotions using many other words and phrases. What do Muslims do on Eid-ul-Fitr? Eid-ul-Fitr is also known as Festival of Breaking the Fast. So, Muslims perform some religious obligations and there are some traditional or cultural rituals that they like to do. Religious obligations start from going to mosque for Eid prayers, and there they listen to khutbah, or you call it sermon. They do charity, which they call fitrana, before Eid. Some cultural rituals are eating some desserts soon after Eid prayers. They distribute Eidi or gifts as a token of their love. They arrange feasts for their loved ones. That is how they celebrate Eid-ul-Fitr. Unfortunately, dear viewers, Eid celebrations would be different this year. Due to COVID-19, we would have to follow some SOPs. Keeping in mind the seriousness of the situation, I urge people to avoid large gatherings. Try to spend time indoors. Wear masks. No matter what, follow social distancing. If anyone pays you a visit, try to maintain social distancing while welcoming your guests. Avoid embracing or shaking hands. Thank you so much, dear viewers, for your time. I wish you a very happy, prosperous, and blissful Eid day. I hope you like this video. If yes, then like it and share your feedback with me. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.